Hey guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are at CVS where we shop the best deals every single week, and we are not going to waste any time. We are going to get right into these freebies, cheapies, and most of all, money makers. So let's get into it. First money maker is super easy and everyone can get in on this deal. So the Colgate is on sale, buy two get back a $4 extra care buck this week, and printing at the red box, everybody is going to get a $2.99 off CRT. We also have $1 digital coupons and we have $1 insert coupons. I also have some random $1 coupons in my stash. There are also some printables out there available as well, so use whichever you have, and after your coupon savings you're just going to pay $1.99 for two boxes, but then you're going to get back a $4 extra care buck, making two Colgate not only free but a $2 moneymaker. Now this next deal would be an even better moneymaker if my store had an item that they are missing that I'll show you in just a second, but y'all know I'm still gonna make money for me. So these are on sale for $3.99, the Crest toothpaste, and when you buy three you are going to get back a $5 extra care buck. We have $2 digital coupons, we have a $2 insert coupon from the P&G, and we also have a brand new 5 off of 3 digital coupon as well that I want to kind of glitch a little bit today. I am also going to be combining those coupons with a 4 off of 14 crest CRT. So what I'm going to do is buy 4 instead of 3 of them because I want that 5 off of 3 to apply with my paper coupons, and I'm going to be using 2 of these $2 paper coupons today. I'm hoping that my $5 off of 3 digital will also apply, and I'm going to be using that 4 off of 14 crest CRT. After all of those coupon savings, I'll pay just $2.96 out of pocket, but then get back a $5 extra care buck. That's going to make these not only free but a $2 moneymaker. Now if my store had the Scope mouthwash, so the 1 liter Scope mouthwash that is supposed to be down there is on sale for $4.79, and then when you buy one you get back a $3 extra care buck. In an ideal world I would pick up 3 of the toothpaste and 1 of those Scope mouthwashes. The reason I want to do that instead is because it will still trigger the glitch with the 5 off of 3, but then I would get back the $3 extra care buck for the Scope plus the $5 for the Crest. I would pay just $3.76 out of pocket, but then get back 8. So instead of it being a $2 moneymaker, that Scope would make it a $4 moneymaker. So check below for a written breakdown of this deal because this would be awesome. So now let's talk about our spend 30 get 10 deal, and to me this is the best thing going this week. So I'm going to start off with this Persil laundry detergent. So these are $4.99 and we have a $2 off manufacturer coupon on these. I also have a 2 off of 2 CRT. The next item we're going to grab in our spend 30 is some Tide. So we have a $2 digital coupon for this and we have a $2 paper coupon. These are $5.94. So this is my first of 2 spend 30 deals. So in this deal, I'm picking up 4 of the Persil and I'm getting 2 of the Tide. So for the Tide, we have a $2 digital coupon and we also have $2 paper coupons from the P&G. For the Persil, we have $2 paper coupons from the 11/15 Retail Me Not. And those coupons do expire on the 29th. So you want to get to the store as soon as possible to do this deal. Now at CVS, expired manufacturer coupons generally scan within 1 to 2 days of the expiration date. So if you're watching this video a day or 2 past and you have those coupons, your coupons will likely still scan. However, you do want to get there as soon as possible. These coupons also have a limit of 1 per shopping trip. So what you can do if your store is strict on coupon limits is you can break them up into multiple shopping trips, as many as you need to get to your $30 purchase, and your purchases will still track until you you reach that $30 threshold. I have actually already purchased all the Persil that I'm going to get today. I did it in multiple transactions just to make it easier so that I wouldn't be purchasing so much at one time. And that's just a little hack. If you need to get around a coupon that has strict limits on it, just break your transactions up as you need to so that you can still stock up on the deal. After all of those coupons are applied, I'm paying $17.84, but then receiving back a $10 extra care buck. That makes all 6 bottles of detergent only $7.84 or $1.30 per bottle. $1.30 is definitely a stock up price for Tide and Persil. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my first little transaction, and this is what I'm going to do on my side card. And what I'm doing is I'm pairing my Spend 30 household deal with my Tide and my Persil with the moneymaker Colgate and the Crest. Because we're making $4 from the toothpaste, that $4 will help us reduce the cost of the household deal and bring that down to only costing us about $3 and some change for all of that detergent, which I think is amazing. So I'm going to go up and do this first little transaction. I have all of my manufacturer coupons and my CRTs loaded to my card. I'm going to spend about $12 in extra care bucks, and then I should get back a total of $19 in extra care bucks. So I should get back 10 from the household deal, and then I should get back a total of 5 from the Crest and 4 from the Colgate. And with the Tide and the Crest, you also want to be careful because the Tide and the Crest are both P&G items. So believe it or not, your $2 Crest coupon will attach to the Tide and vice versa. So what I'm going to have her do is actually scan the product and then scan the coupon. So put up the Tide and then actually scan the Tide coupon and put up the Crest and scan the Crest coupon to make sure they attach properly, because otherwise the system may get confused, and that is why sometimes the Tide digitals or the Crest digitals do not apply as they're supposed to. So let's go up to the front, check out with these items, and see how everything works out. All right, you guys, so let's go over this receipt that worked out well. So there is our 4 Crest, there is our Colgate, there is our Tide. Here are all of our manufacturer coupons. We used 2 of the $2 coupons for the Crest, 2 of the $2 coupons for the Tide. That $5 digital did apply. Those $1 coupons are the Colgate coupons. Then we used that 4 off of 14 Crest CRT, the $2.99 CRT for the Colgate, and then I used a total of $12 in extra care bucks. Subtotal came up to 83 cents, and I had a total savings of 98% and $52 in this transaction. And then let's look and see what we got back. So we got back the $10 for the household deal, we got back the $5 for the Crest, and we got back the $4 for the Colgate Optic White. So in my previous transactions to pay for my Persil, I spent a total of $10 in extra care bucks to pay for those first 4 bottles. And then in this second transaction where I picked up the Tide, I spent another $12 in extra care bucks to pay for the Tide, the Crest, and the Colgate. So I spent a total of $22 in extra care bucks, but I got back a total of $19. So our household deal with all 6 bottles of detergent, the Crest and the Colgate, ended up costing us a whopping $3.48 for all of those items. So let's go on to our next deal. Now we're going to test out a little glitch on the Clairol Nice and Easy or the Root Touch-Up, whichever you prefer. So these are on sale. Buy 2, get back a $5 extra care buck. And we had a $5 off of 2 digital coupon that was previously available. And we have a $5 off of 2 paper coupon as well. So I want to see if these 2 will work in concert with each other. So I'm going to buy 2, and if both of those apply, I'll pay just $5.98 for 2 boxes, and then I'll get back a $5 extra care buck, making it just 98 cents for 2. Now, if you have any CRTs, I know a lot of you guys may have a $3 Clairol CRT, this could be a $2 moneymaker for you. These baby palm olives are buy two, get back a $2 extra care buck this week. And they're buy one, get one 50% off. So you can buy two of them. That'll total you up to $2.98. And then you're going to get back a $2 extra care buck, which makes them only 49 cents a piece. No coupons are required for this deal. Another easy deal with no coupon required is on the Conair hair appliances. So select hair appliances are on sale for $15 this week. And then when you buy one, you are going to get back a $10 extra care buck. So you can buy one for $15, get back 10. It makes them all just $5. I think a really good deal is these hair dryers down here. You can grab one, pay $15, get back the 10. A hair dryer for $5 is a great deal, and it would make a nice gift. One item I did not notice was these flat irons are also included. So these are on sale for $15. They're normally $25.99, and these are ceramic flat irons. So these will only be $5. I think I'm going to grab this today. So now let's get into a nice moneymaker on the Suave deodorant. These are $2.19, and then when you buy two, you are going to get back a $2 extra care buck. They're also on sale, buy one, get one 50% off. I have two $1 digital coupons. So the way it's going to work is I'm going to buy two of them. I'm going to use those two $1 digitals. That's going to leave me paying just $1.28 at the register, but then I'm going to get back a $2 extra care buck, making these free plus over a 70-cent moneymaker. The Eucerin is back on the spend 20, get back a $10 extra care buck this week. So what you can do is pick up the daily hydration lotion for $11.99, the skin calming cream for $9.79. I have a 4 off of 20 hand and lotion CRT plus two of these $3.50 off coupons that you can get from the Eucerin website. After all of those coupon savings are applied, you'll pay just $10.78 and then get back a $10 extra care buck, making both of them just 78 cents for two. I'm going to grab one of the roughness relief for $12.99 instead, so I'm going to end up paying $1.78 for two bottles. Another quick deal with no coupons required is the GSQ Glam Squad products. So these are $4.99, and then when you buy one, you get back a $4 extra care buck. So you can buy one for $4.99, you pay that $5 out of pocket, get back the $4 extra care buck, makes them just 99 cents. The CVS facial cleansing towelettes are $5.79 regular price, no extra care buck promotion on these. But I have a lot of CRTs that are going to make these a really good deal. So I have two $3 off skincare CRTs. I could use two of those and pick up one for absolutely free. But I also have a 2 off of 10 CRT. I have $1.50 off of one CRT and a $1 CRT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab two of them and I'm going to use all of those CRTs. I'll end up paying $1.08 for two packages. Now we're going to do the spend 30 deal on my second card. So I'm going to start off with the Downy Unstoppables. These are $5.94 and we have a $2 digital coupon. All right, you guys, so this is my second spend 30 deal for today, and I had to improvise with this deal because my store does not have any Charmin or Bounty, which is what I really wanted. So with this deal, we have a total of $30.80 in product. For all of our laundry care items, we're going to be using $2 coupons. So I have $2 paper coupons for the Persil, I have $2 digitals and paper coupons for the Tide, and we have a $2 digital for the Downy. The Kleenex I threw in as a filler item to get us to $30. They are on sale 2 for $3, and I do not have any coupons for the Kleenex. After our $12 in coupon savings, we are going to pay just $18.80 and then get back a $10 extra care buck, making it just $8.80 for all of these items. Y'all, I wasted too much time getting my flat iron because it's on the hook where you have to ask an associate to get it down for you. So I was like, I'll circle back and get the flat iron. Y'all, the flat iron is gone. So I guess I'll be getting something else today. All right, you guys, so this is everything that I'm running on my second card. So I have all of my coupons pulled as normal over here. Everything else is loaded to my card. We will see how this deal works out. I've already paid for the Persil in a initial transaction when I came into the store. And then I have the facial wipes, the hair color, the Eucerin. I'm getting 2 more of the Colgate since that is a money maker. And we're going to finish out that spend 30 deal. I got my Suave, the Palm Olive. I am going to hold on that hair appliance until I can get the flat iron that I really want. So I'll go to another store later on in the week for that. So let's run this and see how this works out.
It's funny how
All right, you guys, so we are done, and this is our complete haul for today. This has been that work because I am not used to doing this many transactions, but we made it work, and I am super happy to be back stocked up on my laundry detergent, especially my Persil. And this all worked out to a beautiful, beautiful situation. So let's go over my receipt for my second transaction so y'all can see how everything worked out. All right, you guys, so once again we got another super long receipt. Here is the Kleenex, there is the Colgate, there's the Downy, there is the Tide, there's the Palmolive, the Suave, there is, what was $7.99? Oh, that is the Clairol. So the Clairol glitch did work out. That is a go. There is the Eucerin, there is those CVS cleansing towelettes. So here are all of our manufacturer coupons, and what I did, because I had in my transaction a lot of P&G products, once again, is I had her scan the product, then scan the coupon. So that's why my checkout footage was a little bit different, because I wanted to make sure that my $2 Downy digital attached to the right product and that my Clairol digital would come off. So I had her scan the Tide, then scan the coupon, and so forth, just to make sure that all of that will work out well, and it did. As you can see, I used that $5 Clairol paper coupon, but the $5 digital came off, so you will get a total of $10 in savings if you have that digital, making it just 98 cents for two, or a money maker if you have a CRT. There is our Downy digital coupon, there are our Suave digital coupons, and then I think all of my CRTs worked out well. There is the $4 for the hand and body lotion, and then all of those CRTs for the cleansing towelettes, and then there is my $2.99 off of the Colgate. As far as extra care bucks, I used about $39 and some change, $39.91 in extra care bucks in this deal, and I had a zero subtotal, and I placed my taxes on a Fetch Rewards gift card. And then looking at our savings, I saved $100 in this second transaction with 100% savings. And tracking towards beauty, I need $27 to hit beauty, so I definitely will, because of that Eucerin and that Clairol. And then looking at what we got back, I got back the $10 for the Spend 30 deal. I got back the $10 for the Eucerin. I got back the $5 for the Clairol. I got back the $2 for the Palmolive. I got back the $4 for the Colgate, and I got back the $2 for the Suave. So for this transaction, I spent a total of $39 and some change in extra care bucks. I got back $33 today, and I will be getting back a $3 beauty buck next week. That makes this second transaction also $3 and some change, just like the first transaction, which I think is amazing. Doing the math, I think I spent $7.60 in CVS money for all 31 of these items, making them just 24 cents a piece. That is 24-cent Tide, 24-cent Persil, 24-cent Eucerin. It does not get any better than that. I am super happy with today's deals. So check below for a written breakdown of all of today's deals. I thank you all so much for tuning in. Please remember to subscribe if you have not already, and join my coupon family and hit that thumbs up button. I thank you all once again for watching, and as always, I'll talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.